Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Phil from Western Super Motovlog. Don't worry, you haven't clicked on the wrong link. I'm just here to introduce the awesome channel, Motoramblings. Stay safe, guys, and I'll catch you on the flip side.
Hey guys, welcome back to Motoramblings. I'm Patrick.
And I'm Motoramblings.
And today we're going to do a mail call all the way from Pennsylvania. Who do you think it is?
Walton, PA.
Nope.
Dave from NEPA.
Nope.
Right. Goofy Bastard.
Yes. Goofy Bastard from Phoenixville, Pennsylvania. He sent us a great letter and some great stickers and a poker chip.
I love poker chips. Yeah, even though we
Yeah, I'll read it.
Yeah, you read the
Okay.
letter.
Let's do this. Yep. You entertain him. Nice. All right, from Goofy Bastard. Motoramblings. Hey Patrick, love the way you shoot and edit your videos. You, my friend, are so much more advanced than I am.
No,
No, we're not.
no. We just have a lot of time on our
Yeah, we just have a little more time on our
Yep,
hands.
that's what I said.
Yep.
Boredom.
Strange.
Yep.
And, you know, we have more time to watch other videos. Kind of a hint of what's coming later, huh?
Right, good. Very nice.
And, you know, we take some ideas from other people and see if we can incorporate them into our videos.
Yeah, you know,
I think it works out pretty well sometimes.
most of the time. You know, not always.
Yeah. I don't think people, well, you know what? Mr. McStash does.
Yes.
He knows how difficult this is.
Yeah, because he's done some.
especially with the timing.
Yes, the timing's not.
It's fun, and I love
See?
the end result.
I do too.
Yeah, exactly. So I'll finish the letter.
Okay, you read on.
I have enclosed some stickers and a poker chip. I hope you deem one of the stickers good enough to hit that top box.
Already on there.
Yeah,
Yep.
of course we do.
Already there.
Yep.
Yeah. We've already done
and
this.
again, that's a direct result of this being like take 88 trying to get this particular video done.
Yeah, our timing is horrible.
Yeah, what the heck?
It is today.
Yeah, little behind the scenes stuff.
Yep.
Behind the curtain.
Yeah.
Funny.
Yeah.
All right.
Not very.
And then stay safe, Goofy Bastard.
I love it.
I think that's awesome.
Yep, it is.
You see his poker chip?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, he's got Goofy Bastard on one side. You know, lift it up.
Yeah,
There you go.
thank you.
And then he's got the helmet with the camera on the front. Perfect for motovlogging.
It's awesome. Absolutely awesome. Yeah. I love it.
Yeah, I found that, you know, holding it and putting it in front of the camera, back and forth, yeah, it's just kind of doesn't work out that well. So
Pictures.
yeah, we'll just do the sticker, the picture thing.
Yep. I just put it right on the screen, right in front of our ugly
Every
faces.
time I mess up, you're all over
Got
me.
that
aren't you?
right.
All right. So we'll have the pictures inserted from Goofy Bastard of all the stickers he sent us. And thank you, Goofy Bastard. That's awesome.
It is. Thank you very much. I really appreciate
Yes. Vaquero?
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah.
I don't even know if that's how you pronounce it.
that.
But
It's a beautiful,
what a beautiful bike.
Yes, it is. Absolutely beautiful. I would love to
Yeah,
have
I'm not usually, you know, a color white.
Yeah.
But man, I like that.
Yeah, he's bright white and so
Yeah,
clean.
it is. It's a nice bike.
It really is.
So with that, we're going to segue directly into the next subject,
Yes.
which is views, subscribers, and analytics.
Yeah, all that stuff that, you know, we
I
don't
know. I'm not a big fan of it either.
we don't pay attention to it much.
We'll talk about it some.
Yeah. Just a little though.
Not
It's
much.
good. I appreciate that.
Right, yeah. So we watched Harley Dayrider not too long ago, and he did a video where he talked about he's got 4,500 plus subscribers,
Yeah,
I
I think
believe.
he's closing in on
Something like
5
that,
grand. Somewhere around there. Yeah.
And what he mentioned was that in his analytics, a lot of the views are coming from other sources,
Non-subscribers.
not his subscribers.
And we've had the same thing with ours. We don't pay that
Yeah,
much
we
attention.
talked about it a couple times.
We've noticed it.
And yeah, it's, you know, it's the exact same thing.
Yep.
We have the exact same thing. We have views, not from subscribers. And you know, we don't have a whole lot of subscribers.
Right.
So it's not that big a deal, but it's just one of those little interesting things. And it makes us ask each other, why?
Yeah, exactly. Why? You know, we have subscribers that don't watch.
Yeah. So are there people who just don't bother subscribing to anything? They just like to randomly scroll through?
Could be. You know, we don't know.
Yeah. How do we?
Mm.
How do we get them hooked on our channel?
Yeah, how do we do that?
Well,
Yeah.
I know some people put the please like and subscribe and slide the slider and all that stuff that helps with the analytics, which is true, and I get it. We've just not done that
Not much. Not until we've done that graphic we just did.
Yeah. You know, the whole goal of the channel was just to have it for memories.
Right. You know, we weren't doing this to get subscribers.
It has.
It does get addicting. Yep.
So
good work.
You know, we got the graphic we'll put here right now.
Oh, again?
Mhm.
Great. Now we'll get it up there twice.
Other than that, we don't really put a lot of effort into trying to get people to like and subscribe.
No.
We'd love it.
No, yeah, of course we would. Even though that wasn't the goal, it's cool.
You know, and of course we want the subscribers to go up, even though that wasn't the original goal.
Right, exactly.
So if you're watching this and you've made it this far, please consider look at some of our other videos, and if you like them, consider subscribing, and then you'll see all of them.
Right.
And they have the bell where you can get notified every time we upload a video. You don't have to hit it, but it does help put our videos to the top if you like them so much.
We've done that. Got some that we click the bell, and some we don't.
Yeah. So
It's just what we do.
maybe when we get back out on the bike, we'll put something in, start trying to put something in from all the other videos.
If we remember.
Maybe. But for now, we just thought it was kind of interesting that of all the subscribers, we get a lot less views than we do have subscribers. And a lot of those views are coming from outside sources other than the subscribers. So it tells us that there's a lot of people subscribe to us that just don't watch our videos.
Right.
And it also tells us that people who do watch the videos aren't subscribing, which is kind of an odd dynamic.
Very weird, yes. Interesting.
I know, it does sound that way. All right, you want to just sign off then?
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't want a long video begging for subscribers.
Exactly.
Although, if you want to, subscribe.
Yeah, and check out Goofy Bastard.
All right, everybody. From the Motoramblings Garage, I'm Patrick.
And I'm Motoramblings.
And I hope you can stay well.
Stay safe.
And stay happy, y'all.
Motoramblings.
Motoramblings out. I beat you again.